Support often recommends to use the MFCMAPI tool when troubleshooting different MAPI-related issues. This tool can be easily found when using Google. We can download it from this website. It is a good idea to download the latest release. We can save it on our hard disk drive. This tool comes with excellent documentation, and it's a good idea to download the documentation to get familiar with the utility. Once the tool has been downloaded, it doesn't require an installation. It can be opened per double click. We unselect those checkboxes so we will not be prompted again. And then we are ready to use this tool. It can be placed directly on the Exchange server or on any computer. We will open our log file, we will find an error, and in the log file we will find all the needed information. The legacy Exchange DN of the user, the server name, the credentials the tool was using when trying to open this mailbox. It is a good idea to copy the legacy Exchange DN and to look up the server name. Then we log in using the same credentials, and of course we use MFCMAPI on the same machine where the agent is working and producing the error. When we are ready, we can go to the profiles and look up all the existing profiles, and we can go and create a new profile. After we make our selection and click on OK, the tool will start a wizard, and this wizard will guide us through the creation of the profile. We will specify the name of our Exchange server, and we will paste the legacy Exchange DN of our user. Now we have created a profile. We could create a profile using the other old-fashioned way. It really doesn't matter how we create the profile. We just need a profile to be existing. There is also another way to create a profile. There are many ways. During the procedure of opening a mailbox, we can specify to create a new profile, and the same wizard will start again, and we can create a new profile on the fly. I'm going to change the legacy Exchange DN and will create a new profile for a different user. Since I have chosen to open a mailbox, the tool will immediately connect and open the newly created profile. I can see the public folders and the mailbox. When I double click on the mailbox, I can expand the root container, I can go to the top of information store, and here I will see the content of my mailbox. We can review all the attributes for a particular folder, for example for calendar folder. We can see the creation date of this item. We can see who created this item, the creator seed. And we can find and analyze the most important attributes. For example, when this item has been modified for the last time. We can have a look at the security descriptor to make sure the permissions have been migrated successfully. And we can find the source key, very important attribute, because this tool is always copying the source key from the source. We can analyze and examine absolutely all items inside the mailbox. We can open the inbox and view all emails. We can find a troublemaker and delete such an email if needed. We can look up all the attributes for each individual message for every item. This is very useful in troubleshooting. When done, we just close this window. This tool opens new view in the new window, and every time we want to go back, we are supposed to close the window. Now we can go to the public folders. We can open them, IPM subtree, and we will see our Elite MW recycle bin folder. We will find all our public folders, and we can troubleshoot them. If we concentrate on one folder, we can look up all the attributes again, the creation time, who created this public folder, when it was created, and the most important attribute probably when talking about public folders, the source key, because the tool will always preserve, it will always copy the source key from the source side. We can go and open the non-IPM subtree and find the schedule plus FreeBSD, and here we will find all our FreeBSD messages. Each user has a FreeBSD message, and if we are copy FreeBSD messages using collaboration services or Quest tool, we can find them, analyze them, and also review all the attributes to see who created this message, when it was created, and who is the owner, the creator. Here is a quick summary again. If we see an error message in the log file, we will open the log file, we can find this error message, we will see the credentials the tool or the agent was using, we will find the name of the server where the mailbox is located, and we will find the legacy exchange DN. We can copy this legacy exchange DN, and then we navigate to our MFCMAPI tool. We start this tool per double click. We go to session and create a new profile. The name is irrelevant, it doesn't matter. We just click next, we specify our exchange server name, and we paste the legacy exchange DN. Once this has been done, we can open this mailbox, we can connect to this mailbox. When we connect to this mailbox, we are not supposed to receive any errors. We should be able to open the mailbox or the public folders without receiving any errors. Only then the Quest agent will be able to perform the same.